Back to my channel. I'm going to give you an update about Zomedica Corp, stock symbol ZOM. If you want to watch the thorough analysis, you can check my previous video on my channel. It has in-depth analysis and review about the company, analysis about their financials, and some other good stuff. Today, the stock spiked 40%, as you can see right here. The stock was closed at $1.30. The stock symbol is ZOM. Spiked 300% in last 3 trading sessions. Take a look at the 5-day chart. I started following the stock when it was 45.50 cents. On January 8th, the stock was 45 cents. January 11th, the stock spiked up to 94 cents. Today, fast forward, the stock spiked up to $1.30 with the gain of 40%. This is a pretty small company. The company's market cap right now at the price of $1.30 is $733 million. They have a huge volume. I'm going to go over what happened in last couple of days trading session and how the stock was traded, what the volume looks like, and what it suggests. I'm not a financial advisor, so I would recommend you do your own due diligence and research before you buy or sell this stock. I'm going to share some updates around what I have done in terms of analysis and research so you can take an advantage. Click the like button because it took me a while to research and post this video. Click on subscribe button to get updates on my future videos. Share this video with your friends and family. Market cap is $733 million and their cash on hand is $52 million. They're not running out of cash anytime soon. The company itself is in the space of improving companion animal health, and their purpose is to improve companion animal health by increasing number of successful vets on the planet. They are clinical vets creating products for clinical vets. It's a pretty good company. Their main product right now, very well talked in the market, is TRUFORMA. TRUFORMA is in clinic biosensor platform. One thing that you want to note is this company does not have any revenue at the moment. It is expected that their TRUFORMA product will hit the market in Q1. The timelines can always change. This is a penny stock. Whenever you trade in penny stock, it's a high risk, high reward. Do not invest your entire portfolio. I would suggest you only invest the money that you're willing to lose. TRUFORMA product is pretty close to getting launched into the market space. It is in beta right now and it is expected to be launched in March 2021. TRUFORMA is in clinic biosensor platform. TRUFORMA introduces highly sensitive species-specific assays for the diagnosis of thyroid disease in dogs and cats and adrenal disease in dogs. TRUFORMA delivers the accuracy and performance you demand with the convenience and ease of use you need. Complete thyroid and adrenal result within the patient's visit mean less stress for pets owners, and vets healthcare team. TRUFORMA product can give the results as soon as 20 minutes, which does mean that if you go with your pet into the clinic, you come back with the result and it's a great relief and convenience. Company is claiming a very high accuracy in terms of the results as well. Two things, it's faster and it's accurate, which is a win-win situation for both the vets as well as the pet owners. I want to highlight some of the catalysts as well as why the stock is hyped at the moment. Here is what you need to know about the ZOM stock at the moment. ZOM has only been around since 2015, but it is ready to tackle the challenges in the companion pet health. Specifically, the company works to develop and commercialize pharma for pets like dogs and cats. It's in the pipeline. TRUFORMA is one of its key focus and key product, as I just mentioned. This is a point of care platform that works to detect certain thyroid and adrenal issues in dogs and cats. Importantly, ZOM works with Corvo biotechnologies to develop and commercialize this platform, and through the TRUFORMA is only approved for the investigational use at the moment. It has gained a lot of traction lately from the investors as well as the Wall Street. Many experts appreciate that it speeds up the diagnostic process and helps vets make better and quicker decisions. Investors should also note that ZOM has 2 other candidates in its pipeline. They are not as close as to launch as TRUFORMA. The first is ZM020, a point of care platform for urine and fecal testing. The second is ZM017 for the cancer liquid biopsy platform. Investors should also note that ZM17, it's in the validation stage and focuses on liquid biopsies. ZOM also has generated headlines recently for appointing their medtech specialist Robert as their CEO. Now, Robert was their interim CEO, so he's not new to the industry, not new to the company, so he knows the company pretty well. He knows the business, and he is a proven leader, which has gained a lot of faith from the investor firms, retail investors. Look at how the stock was traded, which is very interesting. The stock volume yesterday was 1 billion. Today, the stock was $1 and it traded, the volume was 1 billion. So pretty much the company that has a market cap of $600 to $700 million had volume of $1 billion just yesterday, which is very volatile, which is also very speculative as well, because the volume jumped from 289 million to 1 billion. Today, the volume was pretty close to 1 billion. It was 837 million, pretty high in volume. Whenever there is a lot of volume in stock, we have always seen that when the stock volume was 66 million and it spiked up to 125 million, which is almost doubled, the stock started gaining a lot of momentum. And when the volume hit 700 million, the stock was almost double, from 24 cents to 59 cents. And from there, the stock once again doubled up when the volume was a billion, and volume sustained pretty significantly today as well at the price of $30. The stock is closed at $1.30 in today's trading session. Why the ZOM shares are on fire? It has given 1000% plus return in last few trading sessions, and there's a lot for investors to like. To start, ZOM plans to start commercializing its TRUFORMA platform sometime in March 2021. Ahead of that business update, many investors are trying to get on the so-called ground floor at this pet care play. And here is their chart. Let's take a look at 5-day chart. And as you can see, the 5-day chart shows clearly that the stock was trading at below $1. True penny stock. The penny stock bumped up from 48 cents. It bumped up to 80 cents, almost double in one day. From there, 11th of January to today, once again gained up to $1.31. It went as high as $1.48 today. It is a pretty good interest from the investors. It has been traded pretty heavily as well. I would like to say, do your due diligence before you buy or sell the stock. It turned out to be a pretty good investment for me. I have invested my own money in this stock. My profit at the moment is about 65%. I wanted to share this update because there is a huge volume. There are big catalysts around this company to when they can launch product, if they can gain the market share. If the company can gain market share through TRUFORMA, I believe that they can bring in millions in revenue. The company is trading almost on a daily basis as much worth as its market cap. The stock is pretty volatile. Investors have a lot of interest and faith and trust. Many investors are speculating based on what the company can bring in terms of revenue starting Q2, and that can bump up this price. That can bring this stock up to $3 or $4. Once again, do your own due diligence and research. I'm not a financial advisor. Click the like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks all. I'll see you soon.